It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 3rd of January. I'm Michael Groff. Clouds around, a few showers out there this morning. We'll start to see a decrease in clouds by this afternoon. The sun should return. And the rest of the week features quite a few clouds around, but chances of rain, not too many of those. Maybe Thursday night. And we should generally start to dry out as we head into the weekend and next week, and a warming trend will take over as well. All right, let's get out there and talk about it. First, we'll take a look at the Almanac from yesterday. 58 degrees, the afternoon high. 47 was the morning low. Normals, 66 and 45. We did pick up 0.11 of an inch of rain officially at Sky Harbor. And so 0.54 of an inch now is where we're at for the year 2023. And so far, we're in the plus. That's always a good thing. As we take a look outside right now here at 8:52 a.m., mostly cloudy sky right now, 48 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 45, humidity 87%, winds are light, and the barometer is rising. The upper level weather pattern around the nation. We've got a trough going negative tilt coming out into the plain states. South and east of that, severe storms possible. North of that, yeah, we've got a lot of snow coming down for the northern plain states. Around here, a weak follow-up system, and that's going to come out into the plains and create another round of strong storms. And what that's doing for us is giving us another shot at some showers, very light rain. We have seen a little bit around this morning, a trace of rain so far at Sky Harbor Airport, but there could be more as we go through the morning hours. Here's the watch warning map, and we've got winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, even some ice storm warnings up north. A tornado watch for parts of extreme northeast Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, and up into western and central Kentucky. And some flood watches as well over parts of the Gulf Coast. Some pretty significant rainfall expected. With those stronger storms out here in the west, winter weather advisory, some winter storm warnings, some issues with wind as well for the coast. Convective outlook for today. There's that enhanced risk of severe storms, level 3 out of 5, parts of Mississippi and Alabama. That'll be the focus for perhaps a few significant tornadoes today. And the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, generally under 1/10 of an inch. We could see a little bit more up north, but for the most part, the pattern is going to feature drier conditions, or at least somewhat drier conditions for us in Arizona. But to the west and northwest of us, oh yeah, California, the Pacific Northwest, going to get slammed with very heavy rain and mountain snow, and they do need it. We could use it too, but will we get any more? Let's talk about it right now in more detail as we get to the models. Take a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, and this is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. All right, we've got a trough coming out across the plain states in two parts. One wave heading toward the north and east, racing toward the Great Lakes, and another system coming out toward the southern plains. These are going negative tilt, and so as a result, stronger storms will be possible to the south and east of those. A northwesterly flow aloft here. So what it means down at the surface, yeah, mostly cloudy this morning with some showers around. We'll keep a chance of rain in the forecast, but then we'll see decreasing clouds this afternoon. We'll turn partly sunny. High temperatures only in the mid to upper 50s, so we'll be below average once again. Tonight, considerable cloudiness, overnight lows in the 40s, and then tomorrow, partly sunny sky and high temperatures should sneak back to the low 60s. Now on Thursday, yeah, California getting hit hard with rain, mountain snow, and that's extending up further to the north as well. And that's going to try and make it in here, but an amplifying flow and somewhat drier conditions aloft here should prevent most of the rain from getting in. Nevertheless, we'll put a small chance of rain in the forecast for Thursday night here across the south central deserts. Slightly better chances of precipitation up north. High temperatures on Thursday should still manage to make it into the low 60s. And that's going to be more or less the same story for Friday. Partly sunny sky, low to mid 60s for the high. Same thing Saturday. We'll warm it up a little bit on Sunday, mid 60s, maybe upper 60s by the time we get to next Monday. And again, we'll have cloudy periods around here, no question about it. But in terms of rain chances, minimal at best, probably under the 10% threshold, but the more significant precipitation confined to California, the Great Basin, and at times in the Pacific Northwest. All right, here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 10th of January, still troughing along the west coast, but now notice a ridge is building out here for the southwest and up into the intermountain west of the northern plains. And that's going to serve to deflect this energy away from us and warm us up as well as the heights come up. High temperatures probably back towards 70. And then going out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 12th of January, and that still looks dry for us with ridging and positive heights here across the southwest. But notice troughing continues out over the East Pacific, and at some point that may displace our ridge and bring us another chance of precipitation toward mid-month. Speaking of, looking at rainfall for Phoenix, now this is going out through the 17th of January off the Euro Ensemble, and the mean does come up here, especially as we go out there toward mid-month, as mentioned, over 0.4 of an inch, but in the short term, we're not expecting any significant precipitation chances. And temperatures off the national blend of models, overall, this is about what you'd expect to see around here in early to middle January. Highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. That is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell. Leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. The executive producer and maintenance person for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation, maintenance extraordinaire, responsible for the lighting. She is my Michelle. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, so greatly appreciated. These videos are not possible without you. So thank you for all of that. And you guys be safe. Have yourselves a glorious Tuesday.